Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the brake light reachable and safe. Park level, handbrake on, then disconnect the negative battery to prevent shorts. Once done, open the tailgate and pull back the trunk trim. You should see clips and a few screws. Use a Torx T20 and a trim tool to remove fasteners. Keep them organized so you won't scramble later. Make sure you're wearing gloves to avoid oil on the bulb and have the replacement part within arm's reach. You now remove the defective element carefully. First, depress the wiring harness release tab and pull the connector straight out so you don't bend pins. Next, either rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn or unclip the lamp module. Fiat 500 variants differ, so pay attention to how it seats. Pull the old bulb straight out. If it's an LED module, you'll remove the entire assembly. Inspect the socket for corrosion. Clean contacts with an electronic contact cleaner and a dry cloth before installing the new part. You finish by installing the replacement. Align the bulb or module, push straight in, then twist or clip until it seats firmly. Reconnect the wiring harness. Once done, reconnect the negative battery and turn the ignition to accessory while someone presses the brake pedal, or use a brake pedal depressor to test. If it doesn't illuminate, check the appropriate fuse and inspect the wiring harness and ground for damage. If it still fails, wiggle the connector while testing to catch intermittent contact issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.